Number 5.
Meet QLYX. It's the first magnetic phone mount that uses software to make your in-car experience more seamless. QLYX connects to your phone using low-energy Bluetooth. Once connected, the QLYX app automatically launches, opening up Waze or Google Maps. You can customize the app with different widgets, such as Spotify or weather. And the app is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Place the QLYX mount on an air vent or anywhere using our 3M tape mount. QLYX uses safe magnets to secure your phone by connecting to the magnetic plate you place on the back of your phone. And the magnets are strong enough to hold your phone through regular street turns, speed bumps, or the toughest off-road terrain. Once parked, QLYX will pin your car on the map, so you'll always know where you left it. QLYX is beautifully designed and comes in a variety of colors.
Number 4.
Your vehicle is your important asset, so you might consider buying a dash cam to protect it. But before you buy, have you considered the camera's ability to record at night? Would the footage be clear enough to be used as evidence? What about the back of your vehicle? What if your vehicle is parked and unattended? We asked these questions, so we built Letown Black Box, the world's first smart, modular, true 4K nighttime vehicle security system. With the latest OV image sensor, f1.4 diaphragm, 2160p true 4K resolution, and a 166-degree wide angle of view, Letown captures the starry night with clarity as you venture into the night. Letown comes in a set, including a front camera for the windshield and a back camera for the rear, providing a 332-degree field of vision. When your car is unattended, Letown automatically detects approaching persons and vehicles through its radar. It then turns on the camera via its cutting-edge OBD power cable and starts filming the incident, so the battery will only be used when there is motion nearby. By attaching your Letown to its GPS module, you can enjoy a smart and safe driving experience with Letown's advanced driver assistance systems that give forward collision and lane departure warnings in case you wanted the extra safety on the road. Using Letown's GPS with Google Map helps track your driving route. Letown's modular design allows for multiple functions in different occasions and makes installation flexible and easy. Let us protect you and your vehicle and make your night adventures safe.
Number 3.
We believe if there were improved communication between drivers, the road can become a better place. This idea led to our creation of CarWink, your faithful little driving companion. CarWink reinvents the way drivers communicate with each other.
CarWink, pedestrian crossing.
The hands-free voice control function allows for a safe and convenient communication between drivers. Fueled by the power of the sun, CarWink's solar charging means you will never have to worry about running out of juice. Built on the foundation of driver interaction, CarWink is here to relay your message and enhance driver relationships.
CarWink. Thank you.
We aim to minimize road rage and stress for drivers. Let CarWink's smile open up your horizons and show you a brand new adventure.
Number 2. Number 1.